so my brothers and my sisters, we know they talk am, we dey talk am just that yo get coconut head, e no dey hear word. The man say he stubborn, he no dey hear word. Thank God say the place when he go enter, na place of no going back, place of no return. Eweleke, by the time these people are done dealing with your actor child, if una see you, una go tell am sorry, una go tell am do, una go tell am pele, una go tell am go. Wetin man dey find? They talk say wetin you dey find for Sokoto, e dey for Sokoto. Yo, which kind kpekpes Juju Austin carry? Which kind kpekpes when Juju Austin carry yo? Where you leave Queen make kpekpes go dey follow Juju Ekwensu, see where you don enter. Na this one when dem dey talk say man, watch and be prayerful. Yo, you say you be Christian that time oh. I no know why you no come know wetin you suppose do. You can't go dey do anyhow. You no pray before you chop. You no pray before you chop Juju Ekwensu. If only you Edochie knew that all of this was going to put him in the mess. Right now, all the mogelus, they don't stand up. All the mogelus, they don't rise. They say they no go gree. They no go gree. Say yo, they disgrace their sister on a steadily. Say if to say yo live to they disgrace their sister on a steadily, than to come outside again, they address their sister the way they address their sister. Say they no like am. They no like am. Say if their sister no talk, then when be the mogelu, then go speak. Then when be the Mogelu family, then go speak. Una know say Juju Austin get one brother when be senior for the Agbero group of company. Yes, now the company when Juju Ekwensu brother belong to so. And this one they say no they hear word though. Say anybody when enter in Kaban, when enter in matter. Say that person they collect. Oh, now this one yo they fear. We talk and say somebody is dead that yo is afraid of. Just that when that thing come over him, he no go know wetin they do. He must do wetin dey mind. Now one chance na actor don enter so. It don't over for yo. It don't over for una actor. Yes. Make una see now. Make una see. So like this now, yo don't go carry Juju Ekwensu. Una know they can't promise when yo tell Juju Ekwensu. Tell her say he is going to make Juju Austin the biggest star in Hollywood. Now make una see Juju Austin for Yakata. Juju Ekwensu for Yakata. Juju Ekwensu surrender everything. Juju Ekwensu gave everything to yo because say yo don't promise am. Say yes, you are going to be a star. But if no be Mumu they worry Juju Ekwensu. Yo when promise you say you go be star, him na star. Now the thing when Juju Ekwensu no check. You no even check, you no do investigation. You just enter Ewa. You allow man use your brain, use you, finish. So like this now Juju Ekwensu brother, when be senior Agbero man. Senior for the Agbero community there for inside their place. Now no rise now say if you do anyhow. Ain't go see anyhow. They talk say as Juju Ekwensu no they talk. Juju Ekwensu they keep calm, keep quiet. Say then they go keep quiet. Say enough is enough. Enough is enough. Say anything when yo they plan to do to their sister, make it know say he must repair Juju Ekwensu before he return am. Because with the look of this, with everything wey they say like this, they say water don't pass garri o. Water don't pass garri. You just dey do Juju Ekwensu anyhow. Una see the way when you they go with Lizzy Gold. You know they send Juju Ekwensu feeding. You know they send nothing. They send even hello hi. When man they send woman, how are you? How are the kids? If they dey far from each other, Juju Ekwensu they beg for her. She still know they see. That is why Juju Austin will continue to beg you for the rest of her life. That is why Juju Austin will continue to defend you for the rest of her life. Say if may you make sure say Juju dey well. Juju dey well. It's a family they different no. Now this one at the talk say your brother can they use Yinkolo Mentus. Now they do example. Say Lincoln go do am to Yinkolo Mentus. After Lincoln don't chop grandma finish. Bath grandma do shower bathing. They do all they do is finish. That's so Lincoln. Control grammar labubu under the bus. Say Judy Austin will not be thrown under the bus. Ekweteke ekweteke okotorigba. Hey, hey, hey. Who send you to go chop Mr. Obasi puna? Who send you to go touch Mr. Obasi wife? Because with the assurance wey give Judy Austin, when made Judy Austin back, Augusta was telling Judy Austin, leave Mr. Obasi house. Don't worry, things will get better. Yo is a superstar. He's going to make you a star. If you're a star now, it don't better. Augusta helped Judy Austin to back out of her matrimonial home. Augusta helped Justin remove am from the house of Yul Edochie because from the house of Mr. Obasi because they don't see their savior. They don't see their ATM. They don't see you say yes. Now him be the one when go come deliver them, when go come liberate them from their poverty. Make una see now. Make una see now. You don't go keep Juju Ekwesu for Abuja. He go drop Juju Ekwesu for Abuja. Why him dey Asaba? Your family dey Asaba. Person they go ask me, no, they go house. Why be say your own acting now? You go pack all your things. Things when you live for Abuja, e no reach 10. And clothes when you live for Abuja, e no reach 10. Moreover, you no even get clothes. You no get clothes. Now this one they pay yo. Anytime when you see him wardrobe, say nothing they hang there. Why when he was with me, you know they lack clothes, you know they lack shoe, you know they lack bossa, you know they lack singlet. But now, they lack all those things. Yes, they lack them because the person when they provide for them before, they again. Like this now, if you see you with that rubber slippers, now it they wear for inside Asaba there. Me, I don't know whether that one that follow come. I don't know whether that one that follow come. When they say you no change am. If you change am, you go buy. Because anywhere he goes with it. Chai. They say, the way when Juju Ekwesu brother try yo, even yo con dey panic. Yo con dey fear. The guy con dey run kitikata. He say, wetin he go do? How he wan take do? When he go free from this family problem? And he doesn't want to be in Judy Austin brother trouble because that one no dey hear word. Now when they call Chijoke, they hear word. As him face be, that's so him heart be. As he take be so, if he won't buy, he go buy. If he won't do anything, when he might tell and say, make him do, he will definitely do it. Chai! Yo, why you go chop person food? And the question when we see the ask na actor, why you go Mr. Obasi website, go browse in Quakers? Why you go touch Mr. Obasi food? Yes. Say me said because they know they talk, no me say anybody fit come do their sister anyhow. They don't do Augusta, they don't go. So Chijoke say Augusta don't go, Augusta they don't do am, they don't go. But Judy Austin, they no go do am again. They no go do am, no man fit try am with Judy Austin again. Now here you don't buy. Now here you don't remain. Because people don't they tell you say, leave Juju Ekwesu. Juju Ekwesu brought you shame. Juju Ekwesu brought you disgrace. He made you to be in the mud. You are now a complete mess of yourself. Leave Juju Ekwesu. Try another woman and see if your life will not be better. Will you ever leave Judy Austin? I bet for who? Who is going to come and take care of battalion? As you don't talk to Father Abraham, husband to all the single mothers. Yes. She be her Helen of Kenya now, don't they tell you. Say, in boyfriend when he born pikin for. Yes, that woman when they drag a Cubana chief priest for Insta IG. He don't they tell you, please come and take me and my son. Come and take me and my son. We heard what you have been doing. You have been doing a good job. Please accept us. Gay. Now everybody done the right application. Father of many nations, Father Abraham. Una see? Una see wetin we dey tell una say if you are not careful in fetching firewood, you go take the one when gets waiting ants inside. And na like that it don't be for you side. Una thank you.